so proud of myself for getting through this past work week. You can see from my stress pimples, but girl, we made it through. Freshly dyed hair I did last night. I got a really good workout in this morning, and then I spent the entire morning cleaning my apartment. We did a deep clean, but it was taking way too long, girl. We need to get out of the house, or I won't. My man works on Saturdays, and so he's out and about, and I've been doing this new thing. We try and do like a little like something on a Saturday night, and so I want to get ready for him. I want to be like freshly, you know, so I don't want to do my makeup just to run errands. So these sunglasses have been everything. Hoops, a little bit of a brow, a little bit of a liner, but like nothing. I'm telling you, just let that skin breathe until you're with your man. Otherwise, what are you wearing your makeup for? No, I'm just kidding. Obviously I wear makeup for myself, girl. Don't even come for me right now. I got a new orchid. I'm so excited to show you guys. And I need to get like a pretty little glass container. I don't know if I should go to Daiso or go to Michael's, or like what I should do. If I drive all the way to Daiso and they don't have what I want, I'm gonna be pissed. What else? Okay, let me show you, because this is gonna melt. These have been getting me through the year. This is by far the best flavor. These do have milk in it. I'm pescatarian and I try to avoid milk as much as I can, but these are like the one exception. They're so fire. It's melting, so I'm gonna open it. I'm also gonna crack open one of these. These are so good. You heard it here first. I dropped it on the way to the car. 69 milligrams of caffeine. Girl, that's nothing. So instead of like having an energy drink and coffee in one day, yes, I do that. An energy drink when I'm at the gym, and then this in the afternoon for like a little, that's like a Diet Coke, right? That's like nothing. Only blue food, girl. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to skip Daiso. I don't really want to drive that far. So good. Okay, it's literally gonna be like a 40-minute drive just to go to get a vase that I think is slightly more thin than other vases, so I'm gonna have to skip it. But we're at Costco. I'm really only here for samples, but I do need some more creatine, so. This is too much money for... Wow, this is so fun. I'm gonna teach you the ultimate Costco tutorial. You need to just do Costco the way that I do Costco. This is my patent pending Costco tutorial. Go in there, only get max 3 things. If you bring somebody else, 6 things max. You have to be able to carry everything. You go. You can pick one item up first if you want, so that you look like a real shopper, or who cares, get everything at the end. Make your way aisle to aisle, sample to sample, have lunch, okay? Go on a good day, 11 to 1, honey. 2, you're pushing it, get in, get out. When you're getting the sample, eat it slowly. Walk to an aisle where there's not another sample, or else you're going to be scarfing everything down and ruining the experience. You need to go to self-checkout. Don't get a cart. That defeats the whole purpose. You're bobbing, you're weaving, you're making your way. Everybody's on their phone, everybody's distracted, everybody's slow. Not you. You have your eye on the prize, which is free samples, quick and easy. That's how you make use of a Costco membership. Every year, we say we're not gonna renew. We only end up renewing if it's something that we absolutely need, where it's way cheaper there, and it would almost be cheaper with the membership included. Maybe we're dumb, but we really don't come that much at all. Every once in a while. I got more creatine. We went through a whole bottle. I don't know what it does. I told you guys that before. I don't know what it does, but allegedly my protein powder has like lead in it. Listen, or not lead, but like it's plant-based and like heavy metals, yada yada yada. I don't care. I will be eating it still. Tonight we're gonna go. He has like free play at the casino, like free money to play. He got some credit or something in the mail. Yes, girl, we're gonna be at that casino, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed my Costco tutorial. The tutorial should usually end with getting gas. I don't want to though. I don't want to. Oh, and by the way, my outfit of the day is so sick. I have to show you guys soon. Kohl's, Brandy. I got another one of my iconic bangles.
Okay, I'm at Hobby Lobby. Something like this size I want, but the base and the top is giving Dollar Tree. I don't like how thick that is. It's looking cheap, right? I need it to look like thin. I don't want fishbowl. I don't think they have what I want. I think something like this will be like perfect.
I know I'm in the minority here, but I usually feel like TJ Maxx is like a cesspool of items. I'm not saying the people who shop there, I'm saying the items. It's always like they're trying to trick us and pawn us off some trash, I feel. But there was 2 things in there that I was like, maybe I'm gonna go back for. This is exactly what I wanted. You see how this is so much thinner than the ones I was showing you at Hobby Lobby? This is a kitchen, the container thing. I do think this lid is really cute, to be honest. Like, very of the vibes, but this is gonna go away and I'm gonna put my orchid in here because it does a lot better when the like tentacles or what have you are visible to Mother Nature. And then from Ulta, I needed more setting spray, so we got that. I really desperately need to go get groceries now.
I always get these little cherries and chocolate covered raisins. The trick is you gotta just get like a couple. Don't tempt yourself. These are so good. You'll end up like me. I come here like so many times. Okay, we're home now. I need to vacuum. I want to eat. I want to get ready. I have my little cucumber salad marinating. The best croutons in the world. And then I just discovered these little ice pop. They're so good. I don't think they have caffeine in them. I hope not because I'm gonna OD. Okay, I'm taking off these stickers. I don't know why they always have to ruin everything with a sticker. Somebody on TikTok had said that when you take them out of here, it feels like when you're like taking a ponytail out of your hair after it's been like all day. And that made me feel sad. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. It was all like shoved in to this little thing. It must have felt so sad. Look at all the cute little buds. Now I probably should not be leaving the sticks in here, but I want to. So for now we're going to. I'm gonna put this in here. Let me clean up this mess and then I'll show you what I got from Target. I need to hurry up though, so. My husband's birthday, I always get him a dog card and I'm cheap, so I wanted a 99-cent one, obviously, so. Hope you love it, babe. Hair ties, cotton round, and then hairspray. I go through this quickly. I did everything I needed to do. I'm telling you, try these, they're so good. Good night. We're gonna teach you guys how to make some money. Just wait. This is how you turn 30 bucks into 30 million bucks. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I've been vlogging all day. Oh, thank you. Right? Okay, I snuck to the bathroom because I cannot film out there. We won 20 bucks. Now we're gonna get my favorite food. We literally get this once a week. It's so bomb. I wait all day just to enjoy it. Let me show you my